Oh, hi there, bitch. I'm gonna show you how to do the most perfect, wonderful, amazing, fantastic, spectacular, winged out, hooded eyeliner tutorial. Before anything, how are you guys? My birthday was yesterday. I'm officially 23. I figured out how to pay my taxes online, so that's a win for me. And let's get started. Hooded eyes is kind of like you have a bunch of excess skin. It's very fucking annoying, and it kind of just folds over your eyelid. Using like a really sharp angled brush is a good option. This one is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Look what happens. This is Anastasia we are talking about. Girl, what are you doing? I'm going to take any black eyeshadow that I have. This one is by Blend Buddy Cosmetics. It doesn't really matter. And also, you don't need to use black. You can use brown, blue, red, whatever. When I talk, I raise my eyebrows up. You don't want to do that. You want to look completely forward. And what I like to do first is I like to take a little bit of this and put it in my waterline. The biggest tip that I learned is your eyeliner is just your waterline extended. You need to figure out where your waterline is first, so that's why I do that. Imagine you're extending this line out. And I'm just kind of flicking my brush. You get to decide how long or big you want your wing to be. I like to draw mine about this length. It kind of matches up with the tail of my brow. And you see this flap of skin right here? That's your crease. We want to connect this line to your crease. I'm not going to start right at the end of this line, but a little bit before that. And I'm going to draw this to my crease. Like that. Follow that line right to your lash line. When you raise your eyebrow up, you're going to have a gap. You're just going to connect it like that. Now that you have the shape of your wing, you're going to take a little bit of a bigger brush if you're using an eyeshadow. You can use the same brush if you want, but this is faster. And just fill everything in. There is a fucking fruit fly in my room. Now if you like this bat wing shape, you can keep it. I don't like that. So what I like to do is take the same brush, and I like to take my brush and go side to side. Very slightly, because remember we are working with a black eyeshadow and you have a very good chance of just going like that and it's smudging and getting raccoon eyes, so make sure you're using a really tiny brush and really light pressure. That way, when you open your eyes, it's a gradual blend and it's not super sharp. Now, if I were to bring this eyeliner all the way across my lid, I would have no lid. It would make my eyes look a lot smaller. And I'm going to tight line my lashes. I like the look of an inner corner wing, so that's what I'm going to do. I like to take the tip of the angled brush, the pointy end, a little bit of eyeshadow. You don't want a lot on your brush because then you're going to get like kickback. I'm going to almost kind of stick it in my eye, which is probably not good, but I do it anyway. And I'm going to pull out. I like to kind of drag it back into my waterline. Go ahead and apply your mascara. Now for lashes, I recommend getting something like this. They're smaller at the front and thicker at the end. Oh shit. I just pulled my lashes apart. I'm gonna have two different eyelashes on right now, guys. Don't judge me. Okay, this lash is gonna be the fucking death of me. I can't figure this out. You are done. You're welcome. If I did a horrible job, let me know in the comments. And if I did a wonderful job, let me know in the comments. If you have any other tutorials that you want me to do or any tips and tricks that you want me to show you, let me know. Goodbye.